In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel ChatGPT Plus 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on screen, and how to confirm that your subscription won't renew. I'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, open your web browser and head to chatgpt.com. Make sure you're signed in to the same account that currently has the Plus subscription. If you use more than one login, double check you're in the right one before moving on. Being in the correct account ensures the options you see match what we're covering here. Next, open your account menu by clicking your profile name or profile icon in the top area of the page. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the account window where you'll manage your subscription and other preferences. If your interface looks a little different, just look for the Settings option within your profile menu. It's the same place you adjust account details. Inside Settings, select the Account section. At the top of this screen, find the Manage option and click to expand it. You'll see controls related to your current plan. Choose Cancel Subscription from the expanded list. This is the command that starts the cancellation flow and brings up a confirmation window. A confirmation message will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Take a moment to read it carefully. It explains that you'll keep access to Plus features through the end of your current billing cycle, so you won't lose benefits immediately. This is helpful if you've just been billed or you still need Plus for a few remaining days. When you're ready, click Cancel Subscription to finalize. After you click, the system stops future renewals and schedules your Plus access to end on the date shown. You should now see a clear confirmation note stating that your subscription will be canceled. Look to the top of the screen for the exact expiration date. This is when your Plus features will end and your account will revert to the free tier. If you don't see the date right away, give the page a moment to update or refresh your browser. The key thing to remember is that you won't be charged again and you'll retain Plus benefits until that displayed date. That's it. You accessed your account, opened settings, navigated to manage, confirmed the cancellation, and verified the end date. If your interface changes slightly in the future, the process will be in the same place. Your profile menu, then settings, then account, and finally manage. Managing your subscription is quick, transparent, and keeps you in control of your billing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.